Welcome to the Russell Brown Show, and in this episode I'm going to be using the new tablet-based application called Adobe Photoshop Touch. It's a great way to combine images together, and in this show I'm going to talk about fading two images together, a overexposed image and an underexposed image. It's a common problem. Let's get right into it. I'm going to click here at the base to create a new image here, just like this, and I have a couple exposures here of some windmills in Amsterdam. I'm going to open up one of the exposures here and add it to my project. It's that simple. Obviously, it's a little bit underexposed, but I really wanted to get the quality of the sky in this shot. I'm now going to go here to this menu to add another image. And it's simply displaying my images in that album of images. I can click and hold on my second exposure right here and drag it right in. And of course, the photographs were taken at the same time with the same camera on a tripod, so they're pretty much pin registered. I'm going to select Done. As you can see over here in my layers, I can turn the layer on and off, and you can see the two exposures. Now here's a great feature, and it's really simple and easy. Here from the ampersand menu or the More menu here, I'm going to do an Add Fade, and that's what this show is all about. The quick and easy way to combine two images together, because there is no masking per se inside of Photoshop Touch. You use these Add Fade effects. You can see that you have a set of predefined fade effects here that you can choose. For example, I can click on this predefined one, and I'm starting to see the results already. Wow, it was that simple. I'm going to shrink this down in size by pinching here on my screen so I can see my entire image and be able to select my items here. It's this easy, and it's really, really great. I'm going to click on this first control point, and I can determine the angle and direction of this fade. Wow, this is really powerful. Look how easy and quick it is to get just the lighting effect you're looking for by blending the darker and the lighter image together. If you click in the middle, you can move the entire blend around just like that. So you have two options here, clicking on the endpoints or clicking in the center to get the blend just where you want it. But if you want to move beyond that, click on this palette here at the base, and it reveals your menu here. And then for more detail, notice how I can click on this one endpoint, and I can change the subtlety of that point. This then is this endpoint right here, the highlights, and then here are the shadows within my mask, and I can make really nice refined adjustments here. But of course, there's always more. If I click on this actual color swatch right here, I can bring up this menu and I can adjust the value of each of my swatches. But of course, there has to be more, because if I click in the middle of this gradient, I can create a third point and add even finer adjustments to that point. So some really advanced blending capabilities here to blend two images together. I'm going to click Done and take a look at my results. Let's bring this back up in size. Really, really fantastic, amazing, fun, and simple. It's Adobe Photoshop Touch. Give it a try.